Hi everyone, welcome back for week 3, session 3 of Dawn Patrol. 1 and 2 this week have been pretty intense, running you through the Namaskars, the sun salutations. So today we're going to take it nice and easy. Have a seat with me. Good. Go ahead and exhale, scoot the bum forward, lay all the way down onto your back. And you're just going to hug the right knee to your chest, okay? You're going to lay your left leg all the way down. And we're going to take a pose called Half Happy Baby. Now you're going to start with your left leg extended, but as we move into this pose, if it's too much, you can re-bend your knee and plant your foot if you'd like to. Slide the right hand outside of the right foot. Pull the right knee into the right armpit. So you'll notice how my knee kind of falls outside of my armpit, which is outside of my right rib cage as I draw down. I want you to feel that nice stretch here on your groin as you push the left foot forward. If your left hip is up here because you don't have the flexibility to reach the leg forward, just bend the left knee and plant your foot like I talked about before, okay? Half Happy Baby pose. Really nice way to stretch your hips. Good. Bring the leg back to the center. Now we're going to straighten our right leg up. You can have the left leg bent or straight. Hold above or below the knee. And then relax the shoulders as you gently pull the leg towards you. Feel the stretch in the back of your right hamstring. If you can grab your foot, great. If you can't, don't worry about it. Maybe lift up your head closer to your thigh for 3. We worked on those single leg hamstring stretches last week. So we did your knee down half splits, and then we did our standing splits. Good. Exhale, put your head down, hug your right knee back to your chest, and then lay it all the way down. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So start with that right leg extended. Inhale, take your hands up and over your left shin bone, pull it in tight. Exhale, pull the back of your shoulders down. Now, yeah, they're going to pop up a little bit, but just try to stay soft in your back. Don't muscle your way into these poses. If needed, bend the right knee and plant the foot. Otherwise, keep it out. Take the left hand to the outside of the left foot. Half Happy Baby. Good. Now my left hamstring is a little tighter today, so as I'm pulling my left knee down, I can feel my hamstring kind of fighting back a little bit. Not in an aggressive way, but just in a way to where I wasn't feeling it at all on the right side. So I'm kind of noticing that this left hamstring here is, because it's tighter, it doesn't want the knee to bend as deeply, and that's okay too. Keep the right leg long if possible. Otherwise, again, bend the knee and plant the foot. And then as your left leg comes to center, we're going to straighten our left leg just like our right. Hold below the knee, above the knee, or for those of you that are a little extra bendy, maybe you can grab your foot. But don't grab your foot up here. Keep the shoulders down, all right? And if you can't do that, that's fine. Just hold the leg wherever you can, because no matter what, it's still a beautiful hamstring stretch. Take another big inhale here. Good. Exhale, left knee comes to the chest. Now bring the right knee to the chest as well. Place your hands on your knees. Draw some circles on the ceiling. 3, 2, reverse those circles. Good. These are called Sacrum Circles. So we're drawing circles on the sacrum, the low back. Good. One more. Beautiful. Exhale, both legs in the air. Now place your hands by your sides. I want you to slowly lift up your butt and then try to just hold your butt, bend your knees. 3, 2, keep your head down. Exhale, support yourself. Don't let go. Don't let go. Bring your butt back down. Now that is a very, very small version with not a lot of educational points to move into a very small plow or supported shoulder stand, okay? So we're going to do that again. Keep your knees slightly bent. Legs are up. Inhale, use your core. Support those hips. Hold them right here. And I'm kind of holding the outside of my hips and my low back. My fingers, my pinky fingers are coming around my back. And I'm just letting my legs fall towards my face. Maybe your big toes can touch the ground.
If you can't breathe, then come out of it. But don't move your head. Keep your neck beautifully still. 3. Stay here. 2. Exhale, slowly lower upper back. Please put that low back on the ground. And then your bottom. Good. Push the bottoms of your feet up. Now, place your hands on the inside of those legs. Push your legs apart from each other. Feel the stretch through your inner thighs. Wide-legged supine stretch. So you've done this standing in a forward fold. Good. Inhale the hands to the outsides of those legs. Bring them back together. And then one more time, place your hands on the insides of your legs. Push them apart. Flexion in your feet. So dorsal flexion, pulling your toes back towards your shins for 3. 2, exhale, bring the legs back through center. Bend your knees, plant your feet. Now we're going to do a pose called fish pose, okay? So from here, you're going to extend your legs out. And then you guys are going to prop up onto your forearms, similar to kind of like a bridge / shoulder stand thought process. So right forearm, left forearm, like you're lounging, you're hanging out. Now you're going to try to walk your fingertips a little bit more under your butt. Prop your heart up. So watch my chest. I'm going to lift it way up. And then you're going to drop your head only if it's comfortable. Maybe the top of your head touches the ground. Now there's ways to advance this, but we'll stay here for 3. I'm opening up my throat. I feel the space in the front of my chest. 2, don't move. Exhale. We all tuck our chins together. We look forward. We remove one form and then the other. And that may be your least favorite pose or your favorite. Interlace your fingers, reach over your head. Big stretch for me, pretty please. Good. Bring both knees back into your chest. Give them a big hug again. This time we're going to invite in full happy baby. So separate your feet apart, knees to armpits, and rock side to side. So in this series, we did a lot of stretches on our back. So they're called supine stretches. We allowed ourselves to bring our feet into the air, our toes over our head, which is considered an inversion, even though we're not doing it in like the more aggressive way you may have seen it done in yoga, like a headstand. Bring your feet together. Bring your face up towards your feet. Think about one day feeding your head between your heels and your groin. 3, 2, exhale, release. And then just want you to plant your feet. Let your knees touch each other. Pick up your butt, kind of like a little swing. Swing it out. Put it down. Place your hands on your low belly. 3, 2, exhale. Let your head rock from left to right for me. Good. Loosen up the jaw. Bump your hips left, roll to your right side. And then exhale, use your top left hand to press up. From seated, we'll bring our hands to heart center. Close your eyes, namaste. And thank you for rolling around on the floor with me today to get your